Hello monkeys, and yes, I am calling you all monkeys because that's exactly what I'm going to bring you today. And as promised, I was going to be making some videos now on both Base and Solana blockchains about some of the best mint coins. Remember guys, I only showed you tokens that have made me money before and are very likely to continue making money because these are the tokens that first of all are not scams, are not rug pulls, are not any of that stupid BS. These are tokens that you can definitely and safely trade. And now that Solana has been decongested, I think it's a good idea to bring a couple, the best of these chains, right? Or both chains. So before I begin, as usual guys, this is not financial advice. I am not asking you or trying to get you or advising you to buy any of this. You do your own research and you decide what's best for you and your investments. This is literally only for degens, okay? Degenerate trading. And there is not much to it. That's how the market moves. That's how the community behaves right here, right? Okay, so I'm bringing you monkeys because these are the best tokens, in my opinion. One of the best that can make you some money, especially Punk. This one, I will start with Punk. So Punk is a meme coin on Solana. It's about a monkey, you know, all these kind of Pep-themed animals. You know, Pepe the Frog, they all basically kind of Photoshop they edit his face on any other animal like Slurf or whatever. So you have Punky right here, right? It's about a monkey. They have their website, they have their Twitter, they got a Telegram, they even have a Reddit, I mean. Private, I mean, who has private? And they are on also CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko and several other options apparently. So yeah guys, this is on Solana and currently on the hot 5, you can see right here. I mean, it's going to be updating soon enough. So yeah, Ponke, it's a very good option. Let's look at Ponke to see what I mean. Okay, so Ponke is basically an evergreen asset, an evergreen token, right? It continues to make near all times high every time. Boom, 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 boom. You're seeing right now. I mean, it's hard to grow wrong with this one, right? When you have all of this, when you have the essentials already down, I mean, this can only go higher. How much higher? I don't know. But the point is that this can make you money if you invest right here. I mean, you don't have to wait for a dip. I mean, a dip will be a godsend, like right here. I mean, we're talking about a 3x, nearly a 3x. That's a good amount of money. Very good amount of money. I mean, you don't have to wait for a dip. This could be even higher. And you could reach an x2, for instance, something like that. I mean, this is a very solid token. I already see many of the big accounts on Twitter promoting it, so I'm not saying any of this is new for you guys. But this is a very solid option. I mean, after Solana was congested, a lot of scams were running around. It was uncontrolled, basically. That's why I advise all of you guys to avoid trading on Solana during those days, because the amount of scams and rug pulls and trading bots that are shady and drain your wallets, all of that, that's not the best environment to be making money in. So whenever that happens, always try to avoid that and just migrate to another blockchains or just chill, you know. Sometimes it's better to have a week or something like that to chill, you know, take some profits, enjoy life. You don't have to be stressed all the time. So anyways guys, this is Punk. Now I'm going to show you the next one, which is also monkey theme. It's also a monkey token. Now this is bananas monkey people. Very funny, I think. It makes me laugh, so I think we're on the right track with this one. Okay, so let's see. This one began on April, 9th of April, and this is a massive jump. This is a massive jump. I mean, wow. We're talking about beyond 30x. This is very good, and very solid also. I mean, don't mind this leap. Again, dips are a godsend. When you get into these areas, for example, here and here, you can make some good money. You always have to remember that tokens, Memecoins, all of these are not long-term investments. I mean, the king of the meme tokens, which is Dogecoin. Yeah, Dogecoin might be a long-term investment, but the rest of them, even Pepe, they are not really long-term investments. I could classify basically meme coins in 3 different categories, which is one, the very short ones, the ones you should trade in like an hour or something like that and just exit your position and never look back again because they're never going to recover. The medium ones that are like monkey people, which are very solid. They have a lot of days under their belt. They have been performing very well. They continue to perform very well. There's a lot of volume. There's a lot of liquidity. There are significant holders, a good market cap. All of this, you have to always check these stats for yourself. They have a website. They have all of this, what I have been teaching you guys, to always recognize when you're first researching projects and meme coins. And there's the tier category, which is Dogecoin tier category. I mean, extreme longevity, extremely solid, been around for years, that kind of category. But everyone knows the category, that category 3. So I'm bringing you monkeys because this is a very good opportunity to regain some of this lost volume. I mean, you could be making, for example, nearly a 10x right here if we reach these similar resistance levels. Now let's say we reach these support levels. How about this? So this is good money, but again, you need to get out as soon as you make some profits. Get out, because like I said, this is not Dogecoin. This is not probably as evergreen as Ponke. So you need to make some money, some fast money with Monkey and just get out. Or leave a very small percentage of your bags. But yeah, guys, these are some of the best tokens. Again, this is on Base chain, Monkey people. You are seeing the contract right here. You are seeing the blockchain. And this one, Ponke, is on Solana blockchain. So yeah, guys, monkeys are good for you. They're not only very funny, they're not only very chat-like and cool, but they can also make you money, guys. So you guys better enjoy what I bring. I'll catch you next time, and just asking you for a subscribe. I mean, give this channel a like, a follow. Follow me on my other trading channels if you like. I make some very detailed predictions right there, and I will be linking all the details in both the channel and the description. You know, all of that. So anyways, guys, have a good one, and I'll see you next time.